What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and I would like to imagine the following scenario, okay? Imagine that you write an amazing blog post, you put your effort, your time, your skills writing this piece of content, and some person with bad intentions simply select all your content, copy that, change some parts and publish like it's yours, okay? So basically the person steal or the person just rob your content, okay? How to protect your WordPress website for this kind of problems and protect your content for free? This is what you're gonna learn into this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics, not just international sites favors. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do, go to our WordPress dashboard, okay? Review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. Once right here, into the upper right corner of a screen, next to keyword, into search plugins, we're gonna type secure copy content protection. And here is the guy that we are looking for, by copy content protection theme. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. And as soon as you do this, if you go to one of your posts or one of your pages, for example, and as you can see, we cannot select the text, we cannot right click on the text, we cannot do a lot of things that persons with bad intentions used to do, for example, selecting your content and copying this. But it's better, as soon as you activate the plugin, you can move to our left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over this new menu that's gonna appear, copy protection, click on it, and here is all the fields we have. Enable copy protection in all post types, so products, portfolio, posts, pages, any kind of custom post type that you have, gonna receive. We can select the options from post types to accept. We can enable text selecting or not. Notification text, we can change this text. Can you see? This text that appears when we try to right click the content. Upload audio, we can upload an audio to say some words for these persons who are trying to right click your content. Exclude input and texture, exclude contain CSS selector, disable copy protection for super admin. This is recommended, okay, not bad. There is exclusive pro features of this plugin, nothing to do right here. We have the options tab. We can set on or off for all of those options right here. For example, show message only once, protect content when JavaScript is disabled. There is extra features, for example, disable Ctrl P, disable Ctrl H, disable Ctrl L, Ctrl K. We can block content header text to customize it. Subscribe to view header text. Block content button position. And other options. We can show message or not, or play audio or not. We have the styles tab, the styles from positioning, the time, the background color gradient, add image, and very much options to customize the message that's gonna appear, okay? Block content. Let's explore this tab. We can block a content, apply a limit, a password, from and to applying some dates in the case that we need. And here is the short code. Block IPs is only a pro option feature. Block country as once again. Page blocker, PayPal, or integrations. This is for the ones who would like to make a paywall, for example. Person must pay for reading some content, as an example. But for us, this already protects our content a lot and make our site safer, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg, or Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can start to customize your site in the way that you want. Our Growth.net platform, remember, growth with 3 Ws, in order to promote your blog and start receiving guest posts or publishing guest posts. And as a final note, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, in addition to premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, icons, widgets, and including with our full support. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. All the best.